Hello, and welcome to this Microsoft Outlook tutorial on how to schedule a meeting using Outlook's calendar feature. Opening our Microsoft Outlook application, we are going to navigate to the calendar icon on the left side. Once we've arrived at the calendar tab, we're going to select New Meeting from the ribbon at the top of the screen. Next up, we'll want to add some specifics to our meeting, starting with the title. Click the blank space to the right of the Title tab and enter a title for your meeting. This is what will appear on you and your coworkers' calendars once we assign the meeting. Now, we're going to enter the email addresses of our meeting invitees, separating them by those who are required to be there and those whose attendance is optional. This process is the exact same as the process for entering the title. However, as you type, Outlook may help you by providing autofill options for whatever address you are typing in. Selecting the correct autofill for your invitee instead of fully typing out their email address is a great way to save some time and effort. After we fill in all of our invitees, we agree to adjust the date of our meeting as well as the starting and ending times. Using the small calendar icon to the right of our dates, it is simple to adjust the meeting date. By adjusting the start date, our ending date will automatically update, maintaining the same meeting duration that we previously specified. Then, we can adjust the meeting starting and ending times using either this drop-down box or by typing our desired times into the box. If this meeting happens to take up the whole day, just select this checkbox and Outlook will automatically block off the entire day in your calendar. In addition, we can account for the difference in time zones by selecting this checkbox and adjusting the time zones with the appropriate drop-down box. If the meeting that we are scheduling occurs on a regular basis, we can make this meeting invite a recurring one by selecting the Make Recurring option to the right of our end time. This will prompt an additional window to open, where you can again adjust the starting and ending times of your meeting and see its duration. We can also set a pattern of recurrence, adjusting for if the meeting occurs on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. We can use these recurrence patterns to create a multitude of different meeting types. We can put a restriction on how long this meeting will recur for, or we can allow it to recur indefinitely. Once we have set our meeting to occur on the dates and times that we desire, we can select OK and go back to our meeting window. Our final piece of information to provide is the meeting location. You can enter your location by hand, but just like in the meeting invitee section, Outlook will also provide you with recommendations and autofill options. If your meeting is taking place over Microsoft Teams, simply select the Teams meeting icon from the ribbon. This will automatically create a room for the meeting to take place in and provide your invitees with a link to the meeting in this additional information section below. Feel free to add any other details for your invitees in this section. Finally, we are ready to send our meeting invite to our calendar. Just click the Send button, and the meeting will appear on your calendar, along with the calendars of all of your invitees. Your invitees will also receive an email notifying them of the scheduled meeting being added to their calendar, with the details you provided and any Teams invites. They will also be provided with options to accept or decline your meeting based on their availability. Your meeting is set up and ready to go. Thank you for watching.